Good morning, everyone. Myself Harshita, and my team members are Ashwita, Madhuri, and Bhavya. Today, we are going to do a project on linear integrated circuits, and our project title is Clipper using operational amplifier. First, let us know what is an operational amplifier. Operational amplifiers are among the most widely used electronic devices today, being used in a vast area of consumer, industrial, and scientific devices. Operational amplifiers may be packaged as components or used as elements of more complex integrated circuits. In electronics, a clipper is a device designed to prevent the output of a circuit from exceeding a predetermined voltage level without distorting the remaining part of the applied waveform. That means the output of a clipper will be the same as that of the input for other than the clipper part. Here we have used IC741 operational amplifier, which can be considered as universal voltage difference amplifier. The main function of IC741 op amp is amplify the difference of two input voltages. This is the basic circuit diagram of IC741 operational amplifier. Clipping circuits are also called as slicers or amplitude selectors. A clipper can also be constructed using diode. Generally, for a diode, there will be a voltage drop of 0.7 volts. For very small values of clipping voltage on low-level signals, the IV curve of the diode can result in clipping onset that is not very sharp. These are the different diode clipping circuits. Precision clippers can be made by placing the clipper device in the feedback circuit of an operational amplifier in a manner similar to precision rectifiers. An operational amplifier clipper gives a precisely clipped output. Clippers can be classified into two types. They are positive clipper and negative clipper.
Now let us see the working of op-amp clipper circuits. This is how the clipper circuit works. The function of clipper is to clip off the portion of input signal voltages above or below the certain levels, which is the reference voltage. Now let us see its working. The clipper takes an input waveform and clips or cuts off its top half, bottom half, or both halves together. In an op-amp clipper circuit, a rectifier diode may be used to clip off a certain portion of the input signal to obtain a desired output waveform. A reference voltage is also set in the circuit. The reference voltage is set such that it is always lesser than the input voltage. Now let us see the positive clipper with zero reference voltage. This is the circuit. Here an op-amp and a diode are used. A sinusoidal signal is passed as the input at the non-inverting terminal of the op-amp. Here V4 is the reference voltage. It is set as 0 volt. Now let us see the simulation settings. Here the analysis type is set as time domain and the run to time is set as 15 milliseconds. And let us now see the output. In this output, all the voltages above 0 volt are clipped off because we have set the reference voltage as 0 volt. Next is the positive clipper with positive reference voltage. Here the reference voltage is positive. Let us assume 2 volt. The simulation settings is same. The analysis type is time domain and the run to time is 15 milliseconds. Let us see this output. Here all the voltages above 2 volt are clipped off as we have set the reference voltage as 2 volt. Now let us see the next one. It is positive clipper with negative reference voltage. Here the reference voltage V4 is set as minus 2 volt. Next we can move on to the simulation settings. Analysis type is time domain and the run to time is 15 milliseconds. Here in this output, all the voltages above minus 2 volt are clipped off. This is how a positive clipper works.
Now let's discuss about negative clippers. The difference between the positive and negative clipper circuit is that the diode is reversed here. The sinusoidal signal is given as the input at the non-inverting terminal of the operational amplifier. In negative clipper, any waveform which is smaller than the reference voltage is clipped off. This is the circuit diagram of the negative clipper with a zero reference voltage. Here, V4 is the reference voltage and it is set as 0 volt. Now let's see the simulation settings. By setting analysis type as time domain and run to time as 15 milliseconds, we get the output as shown below. The above sinusoidal signal, which is green in color, is the input. In the output, all the voltages below 0 volt are clipped off as we have set reference voltage as 0 volt. This is the circuit diagram of the negative clipper with a positive reference voltage. Here, V4 is the reference voltage and it is set as 2 volt. Next, let's see the simulation settings. Like previous thing, by setting analysis type as time domain and run to time as 15 milliseconds, we get the output as shown below. The above signal, which is green in color, is the input. In the output, all the voltages below 2 volt are clipped off as we have set the reference voltage as 2 volt. And next, this is the circuit diagram of the negative clipper with the negative reference voltage. Here, V4 is the reference voltage and it is set as negative 2 volt. Let's see the simulation settings. Like previous, by setting analysis type as time domain and run to time as 15 milliseconds, we get the output. The above sinusoidal signal is the input and the below signal is the output. Here, all the voltages below negative 2 volt are clipped off as we have set the reference voltage as negative 2 volt.
Advantages. The main advantage of flipping circuit is to eliminate the unwanted noise present in amplitudes. They prevent output signal from exceeding the present voltage limit. As they can convert sine wave into square wave by clipping, they can work as square wave converters. Voltage regulation is sensitive device. Disadvantages. As far as signal transmission are concerned, the main disadvantage is that the data transmitted outside the circuit range will be clipped. This is generally seen in audio circuits and electronic cube circuits. Applications. Clippers can be used as voltage limiters and amplitude selectors. They are frequently used for separation of synchronizing signal from the composite picture signals. The excessive noise spikes above a certain level can be limited or clipped in FM transmitters by using the series clippers. For the generator of new waveforms or shaping the existing waveforms, clippers are used. They are used in communication circuits such as transmitters and receivers. Now we can see the basic comparison of op-amp clipper and diode clipper. Op-amp clipper is costlier than diode clipper, whereas diode clipper is cheaper than op-amp clipper. These are the outputs of the diode clipper and op-amp clippers. In op-amp clippers, we get more precise output using op-amp. In this, IC74 operational amplifier is used along with a diode for clipping. Whereas in diode clippers, there will be 0.7 voltage drop. There is a change in clipping. In this only diode is used. Due to the high gain of op-amp, voltage drop across diode becomes negligible. This gives us a perfectly clipped waveform at a particularly reference voltage. Conclusion. Why should we prefer operational amplifier clipper circuits? A diode clipper contains passive elements like diodes, resistors. A diode has a voltage drop of 0.7 volts. So a diode clipper, passive clipper, does not behave as a perfect clipper. To overcome this, we prefer an op-amp clipper, active clipper in which op-amp IC741 is used. Due to high gain of operational amplifier, voltage drop across diode becomes negligible. That is why we prefer operational amplifier clipper circuits. Thank you.